Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum lovely students. How are you all? I hope you all are fine and enjoying good health. I hope you all are safe at your homes and spending quality time with your parents. I believe you have done all your assigned work which we have given you for your holidays. So we all are back after your holidays. I'm Anila Rehan from Multan Public School and College. I'm your maths teacher. Today we will discuss about the following topics: introduction to positions, naming positions, and 6 times table. In this video, we will learn about chapter number 5, that is positions, from book 1 and book 1A. So open your book 1, chapter number 5, positions. What can you see here in this picture? Can you count and can you see how many children are there? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. There are 10 children who are racing. Like you are taking part in some games in your school. So, who will receive the first prize? Look at here, who has reached to the finishing point? Yes, the child with the yellow shirt has reached to the finishing point. This child is first. This child is first. So this is this child's position. So we have to count the positions of the other children as well. Let's count first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Can you tell the positions of each runner? Yes, we can tell. How? First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth and 10th. Turn on the next page. So we will write positions like this. 1st first. 1st first. 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 Second. 2nd second. 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 Third. 3rd third. 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 Fourth. 4th fourth. Fourth. Fifth. 5th fifth. Fifth. Then sixth. 6th sixth. Sixth. Seventh. 7th seventh. Seventh. Eighth eighth. Eight and eighth. Ninth ninth. Ninth. Then tenth. 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 So we have learnt about the positions in words and position in numbers, both numerals and words. Now look at here. There are some children who are swimming in the next picture. What is the position of each swimmer? We have to find out the positions of the swimmers. So their names are Huiming, Farhan, Sam, Raju, Junhao and Ahmed. So who is first? Who will tell me now? Yes, Huiming is first. 1st first. Who is behind Huiming? Who is second? Yes, Sam is second. 22nd. Who is third? Yes, Farhan. Farhan is third. 3rd third. Raju is before Ahmed. Look it here. Raju is before Ahmed. Raju is before Ahmed. And Raju is after Junhao. Raju is before Ahmed, but Raju is after Junhao. Raju is between Junhao and Ahmed. So what we have learned: before, after and between. Ahmed is the last. Who is the last? Ahmed is the last. So look at here on the next page. What can you say about where Bala is standing? There are some children who are standing: Bala, Zinji and Sam. Sam is standing in front of Zinji. Where Sam is standing? Sam is standing in front of Zinji. Zinji is standing behind Sam. Zinji is standing behind Sam. So look at here, there are 5 children in the queue. What is the position of each child in the queue? Some children are buying tickets. They are making a queue. Like you are making the queue in the school. So we have to count their positions. We have to write the positions from the right side. First, F-I-R-S-T, first. 1 S-T, first. S-E-C-O-N-D, second. 2 N-D, second. Then third, T-H-I-R-D, third. 3 R-D, third. Fourth, F-O-U-R, four. T-H, fourth. 4 T-H, fourth. F-I-F, fifth. T-H, fifth. 5 T-H, fifth. Dash is first in the queue. Who is first in the queue? Can you tell me? Yes, Nora. Nora is first in the queue. Kate is dash in the queue. Oh, where is Kate? What's the position of Kate? Nora, Raju, mailing Kate. First, second, third, fourth. Yes, Kate is fourth in the queue. Raju is dash in the queue. Where is Raju? In which position he is standing? First, Nora is first. Then comes Raju. Raju is second in the queue. Dash is after Kate. Who is after Kate? Look it here. Nora, Raju, mailing Kate and Junhao. Who is after Kate? Yes, Junhao. Turn on the next page. A block of flats has 4 floors. The first floor is named. Use the helping words to name the positions of the other floors. So look at here. There is a flat. And there is a big flat. It has 4 floors. And now we have to count and we have to write the floors. The names of these floors. First floor. Look at here on the ground, that is first floor. F-I-R-S-T, first. 1 S-T, first. Then comes second, S-E-C-O-N-D, second. 2 N-D, second. Then third. Then fourth. Now there are 4 children in the queue. Now you have to find out their names and their positions and fill in the blocks. This is your practice time. Practice on your workbook. So look at here. We have to circle the positions of the animals. Circle the third zebra. You have to count from the left side where 1 ST first is written. First, second, third. You have to circle the third zebra. The 7th bird. Count from the left side. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth and 7th. Circle the 7th bird. The second octopus. Now from the right side where 1 ST first is written. First, then second. Circle the second octopus. The sixth fish from the left side. Now you have to count from the left side. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. Now circle the sixth fish. Okay, now color 4 rabbits. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Color 4 rabbits. The fourth rabbit. Now you have to color the fourth rabbit. Count from the left side. First, second, third, fourth. You have to count. And after counting, you have to color only the fourth rabbit. I repeat, color the fourth rabbit. Now color 6 penguins. Now you have to color all 6 penguins. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 penguins. Now second part, the 6th penguin. Now you have to count and color only the 6th penguin. First, second, third, fourth, fifth and 6th. Now look at here. You have to match the positions with the numerals. The next page, the children are queuing up to buy ice cream. Some children are buying ice cream and they have made a queue. And we have to find out their positions and write in the blocks. This is time to learn 6 times table. Which shape can you see over here? Yes, this is a hexagon. How many corners are there in a hexagon? Yes, very good. Yes, there are 6 corners in a hexagon. How many hexagons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. 10 hexagons are there. One hexagon has 6 corners. So 6 one time is 6. 6 one time is 6. 6 two times is 12. 6 three times is 18. 6 four times is 24. 6 5 times is 30. 6 6 times is 36. 6 7 times is 42. 6 8 times is 48. 6 9 times is 54. Then 6 10 times is 60. Now learn it again. Revise it again with me in a normal way. 6 one time is 6. 6 two times is 12. 6 three times is 18. 6 four times is 24. 6 5 times is 30. 6 6 times is 36. 6 7 times is 42. 6 8 times is 48. 6 9 times is 54. And 6 times 10 times is 60. I hope you have learned all. This is a recap of your lessons. What we have learned? We have learned about positions and naming positions. Positions with numerals and with the words. We have learned the number positions and we have learned the spellings of the positions as well. Positions can be placed left or right. We have seen we can place positions from left side to the right or from the right side to the left. We have learned 6 times table as well. So your homework is do page number 71 to 74 on workbook. In learning write position words. Stay home, stay safe and do all your work well in time and send me via WhatsApp. Till the time, Allah Hafiz.